morning guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is another hair video. So I'm about to go lighter and I just wanted to film the process. So maybe if you have the same hair type, same hair color, you can see what result you can get before you go ahead and do it. So I'm basically doing a trial for you guys. I am going to be using a box dye, and this is the one I'm using today. This is the L'Oreal Feria Platinum color. You need one box of this, or two if your hair is extra long. My hair is like kind of long, but I have fine hair, so one box should be enough. And I don't want to saturate all my hair, but just like do some highlight, so one box should be enough. Second, you need a brush like this one. This one is from Sally Beauty Store. You need a plastic bowl. Also, after I'm done, I'm gonna be toning my hair with this Wella Color Charm toner. This is the T18 and it is the lightest ash blonde, so that's what I'm gonna be using. You also need a hair tie, at least 4 or 5, and a brush with like a very thin tail. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like right now. I'm gonna put my towel and I'm using my hair clip here to kind of close it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my big comb and just comb my hair very gently. So number 1, we have the cream developer. 2, we have the bleaching powder. Number 3, we have the lightening cream. Number 4, it's the anti-brass conditioner. Guys, so after maybe 40 minutes or so, I'm done applying the bleach all over my hair, and now I'm just gonna wait maybe for half an hour or so, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and see what it looks like, and I'll come back with you before I tone my hair. See ya! Hey guys, it's been half an hour now. This is what it looks like, and I'm about to go shower, wash my hair, and then I'm gonna use the Wella toner, the T18. So I just rinsed my hair, now I'm about to apply the toner. The color looks more like copper caramel, but I haven't obviously applied the toner. That's what the toner looks like. Just gonna pour that in my bowl. So I'm using a 20 volume developer. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'll let you guess what happened. So yesterday I used that platinum color as well as the T18 Wella toner, and my hair is literally super brassy. I hate this color, it looks so bad, and it's not even, so it's a little bit of a disaster, but I'm here to fix it today. Yesterday I decided to get a little bit of rest to, you know, sleep and then think more the next day. So today I went to Sally Beauty Store. I took an ash color as well as a different toner, and I'm gonna try to fix and correct this. So I was kind of expecting to have some brassiness, but not as much, so I have to correct it right now. Actually, like, my hair is dark brown, almost black, and I tried to bleach it.